Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I make my yam and garden egg stew. And before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are old subscriber, thank you for subscribing and thanks for staying tuned to my channel. If you are new, as you know, welcome to Lady Zion Mother Creativities. You are welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that button, subscribe, and hit the notification button in case I upload any video. You will be notified, and leave your like and comments. Thank you as you do. God bless you, and stay tuned and see the end of this wonderful recipe. Thank you for staying tuned. We'll be using garden egg. There are many types of garden egg, but I like using this black one. You can use the small one, that kind of one, like the one we see in Nigeria, but I like to use this one. And this is my yam, and I am putting this plantain because my princess love ripe plantain, so I'm adding it just for her sake. And we are using these two pepper tatache. I will be using this along with it, and my two scotch bonnet pepper, and I will be using this fish. You can use any type of meat of your choice, but I prefer using this smoked fish, this one, and my egg. And this is my crayfish. Stay tuned and watch me as I do the cooking. First of all, just wash. Right back, my baby needs me. However you want it. Adding it inside the pot. Just add little water, because all these things you just see, they are full of water, so just little bit of water. So before the egg get ready, let's just slice the onions. I forgot to introduce my onions, so we'll slice the onions and the tatache and the scotch bonnet pepper. adding the onions together because I don't want to fry the onions before adding this pepper, because this is garlic egg. Do you remember, even when we were in Nigeria, they used to boil everything together? On my next recipe, I will show you that is village style. I don't know how that is local style. This one, I just need to add the onions and all the tatache, the Scotch bonnet pepper along together. So don't worry, you are going to enjoy this. As we are waiting for the garlic egg to get ready, let's add the bowl inside the fish. So this is it. The garlic egg is ready. Just have to turn it inside the filter. This is it. You can see how everything got made. So this is it. So before then, we'll be adding the frying pan on fire, adding our oil, our olive oil, the pepper and onions. Adding salt for taste. And my black pepper. Sorry for not introducing all this one, but don't be in a hurry to go, just see how wonderful it goes. We are adding our Maggi cube for taste also. Our crayfish. We'll allow this one to done for 4 to 5 minutes. We are going to be adding the egg now. You can see how colorful is it. That is why I love adding tatache to my garlic egg. So we are adding our fish, our smoked fish. So we are giving it 10 to 15 minutes We are done with our garden egg. This time we will be adding our egg. We are going to give it more 3 minutes. We are done. So before then, let me just get the yam ready for cooking. I don't think we are going to be using all the yam. I'm going to cut it. So this one will be okay, just me and my husband, because already my baby has her ripe plantain. So guys, the egg is ready. You can see how yummy is it. We are setting it aside. There is water already. We are going to be adding this one later because this one don't have time to get ready. So after some minutes I will be adding this one to it. So guys, in less than 10 minutes we are done with our yam garden egg stew. Thank you for staying tuned. So guys, the yam have been cooking for less than 15 to 20 minutes. You can see, wow. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and leave your comments. Tell me what you think about this wonderful episode. As you do, may the Lord bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye.